As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session with Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner is Ron. Current time 7:42 a.m. and November 1st, guys, a new month. All right, this means a lot of new opportunities. You know, we're going to see a lot of volatility this week, a lot of volume because of red folder news. On Friday we have NFP, and tomorrow we have FOMC, which we are trading live in our private Zoom room. Okay, so guys, with that being said, please make sure to check the description box. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken upon yourself. All right, do not risk more than 1%. Remember, we're not financial advisors here. We're just here to provide some free technicals and potential opportunities if they make sense to all of us. Okay, and make sure to check the link, guys. There's also a 5% discount code for MFF. It's called Sniper Trading. Our recommended broker is HankoTrade, as you saw in the ad that just previously played. All right, you know, make sure to check out the demo account first. If it makes sense for you, then you can obviously fund live and go from there. Okay. So let's get down to business, guys. 7:43 here. We've got about 16 minutes until the new hourly candle opens up 8 o'clock. You know from yesterday that is the time where we're going to get majority of our moves from this morning. You see we have news here. We're going to go over the 10 a.m. red folder news in a little bit. I will be staying for about 10:05 to watch these news folders drop, and then we'll be on our way. Okay, so let's head over to gold, guys. You can see I have gold ready on the daily here. Okay, gold is pretty strong so far. Okay, you can see that many times we've tapped in around this mark. Okay, from the bottom, and a nice order block in terms of 1614, the tap of this bottom wick over here. Okay, and we've started to find that level of support around 1634. All right, and right now you can see we're heavily pushing up. Gold is pretty bullish at this time with short-term pullbacks coming in on the lower time frame. All right, so with that being said, let's get down and do our top down. If you guys want to see NASDAQ, please smash the like button up to 100 and we can go from there. All right, so to start it off, I got my daily support. All right, next I got some daily resistance coming in here. The previous wick, okay, is acting as some nice resistance level here, so we're going to use that as my daily resistance. Okay, we're going to take a look at the 4-hour here. Okay, you can see some 4-hour support. Just holding above, nice big bullish move coming in. All right, you got 4-hour support. And then my resistance level is it's going to be to my left here, but you can see we're just far past that in terms of continuations. Our resistance is coming at the daily here. All right. But let's take a look at our hourly and see if we can break down these candles, get some more further information. All right. To the left, you can see we got a lot of wick coming in here. That's what's acting as some hourly resistance. We're trying to push above it right now. 1 hour resistance here coming in. We'll keep it like that. And my hourly support is just going to be below here, guys. Okay, you can see if I drag this to the left, it's actually going to be the candles bodies, and the hourly resistance is going to be the wicks. Okay, so 1 hour support. William, good morning. Dominica, there we go. Paris, welcome, guys. All right, so let's go take a look at our 15. All right, you can see the momentum push that we've had here so far. We're breaking these key levels 1653, 1654, and our key resistance is at 1655 level. All right. So right now, I'm going to put a resistance on the 15 just below. Okay, and we're going to watch and see this type of move coming in. My 15-minute level support. I'm going to leave this area, okay, just because we have a 1 hour below it. I would probably use that wick as a 15 minutes, so just in case, to continue with the overall momentum of the stream, I will do a 15-minute support level just below here. Okay, and let's take a look at the 5-minute now. All right, guys, we have a nice engulfing candlestick right here. Okay, the bearish engulfing. All right, so let's mark that up so we understand this. All right, so we'll leave that. And we're going to see now if price is going to have its continuation here. Okay, let's take a look at the 50 line. I don't have RSI on here. We'll just put it on just so you guys can see relative strength. Okay, just going to edit this real quick. Visibility, style inputs. Let's just get rid of this SMA. I want nothing. Bollinger Band standard deviation, nothing. Okay, so we're going to cancel that, put it back, and we're just going to leave it maybe like that, just so we can use a moving average today, guys. I thought maybe we were going to erase it, but let's just take a peek at how we can use this to our advantage here. This is the basic default indicator. They've added a moving average to this place in terms of RSI, so we'll just watch and see here. You can see the crosses, RSI cross to MA. Okay, that's why the nice bearish momentum stepped in. So, you know, maybe we could fool around with this today and just watch and see how this indicator works live. Okay. Now, for the moving averages here, I have my 9, which we're getting held at right now, and the 200 is, where's that bad boy? I think we're below here. There we go. So we're very far away from the 200 here. Okay, you can see the 200 is roughly at 1640 area, and we're trading at 1653. Okay, so that's a big move if price wants to go bearish here. Okay, I see the big imbalance coming in here. Nice orders, you know, pending probable buyers sitting around in here. You can see it at 1647. Okay, I do have a nice sell opportunity around 1650, which is a psychological whole number. All right, we've blown past there. No issues. Nice big bull continuations, but now I'm looking for, you know, this possible sell-off on gold. Okay. So here we go. Nice trendy move on gold here. All right. Going to erase that 9 EMA. We are below it. Just going to use shear price and check out our moving averages now, along with our scanner. Okay, look at this, guys. We're talking gold, definitely overbought. Okay, on our 1 hour and 30 minute. Okay, you can see we have US 30 overbought, looking for potential sells. Okay, where's my mods at here? I think everyone's taking a break today, leaving me hanging. It's all right. You can only rely on yourself in this game, guys. Okay, so you can see here, let's erase that, and we'll just get everything set up for that new hourly swap. Okay, I'm looking for potential gold sells here, guys. That's just me, so we'll watch and see. Have your stop loss around that daily here, 1655. And we're going to see if price is going to move. At least I monitor it accordingly. Yep. I'm watching it right now too. It's a static level. My man agent, there he is. Okay, 752, guys. There we go. I think everyone's getting smart and they realize that we're watching that new hourly. So 1653.4. All right, so let's take a look. Set some alarms here, guys. So I got in from 1653.5, 1653.49. Running 5 pips, small feeler lot initially, and then we'll see how it goes. Breaking my rules, entering before that new hourly, but we'll watch and see here. Guys, how's everyone's morning so far? Everyone doing good? Everyone have a good London session? A lot of traders, guys, during this week, they'll take it off, right, until like maybe Friday, maybe Wednesday, with the 2 folders coming in. And we'll go over that for sure, no issues. But there's a lot of people who are not really even trading, from Monday, Tuesday, even Thursday, right? They're taking it off, guys. All right. So, but again, it's all up to the way your style is and the way you want to do it. But most definitely, there's a lot of traders who are sitting on the sidelines right now, and I totally agree with them. Yulchi, I told you right above that daily here. All right, 1655. But again, I would be waiting for that new hourly. If you're new, you don't just want to buy and sell, smash sells right now. Just take a breather and relax until that new hourly. Okay, 7:55. All eyes are on that 8 a.m. time frame, guys. Look at how they just dipped down, held along that trend. So if we look at the 15 minutes, all right, you can see the trend very strong here, guys. Okay, very, very strong. All right, nice continuations. Look at this though, a little bit of divergent play here coming in. All right, on the 15 you can see price is starting to decrease in terms of relative strength, and then you have the increase in volume here of the buyers. All right, so just be very cautious, careful. You can see what we're coming to here, guys. Does anyone know this kind of pattern? Right, you can see nice continuations here. All right, bullish strength, cooling off the RSI. And let's take a look at the 5. Harry, you got it. All your sessions with Ron and SST are paying off. Brian, yep, very good. Okay, so we'll just add this on here. We'll go 15-minute TL, 15-minute trend line, okay? So we're going to put that right in the middle so we can see. Then watch. Rising wedge, ascending wedge, nice, guys. Yeah. Remember, this is on the 15. On the 5, it's a little different. You can see what we have here. Okay, so you can see just testing. All right, still looking good, nice and bearish here. We'll see if it's going to break that level. All right, guys. You can open up the chats here now. Okay, YouTube, we got booming here. Well, guys, welcome everybody on YouTube. All right. Bro, this is much tight stop loss. I can tell you're new. I definitely said use the 1655 area. All right. But again, can only do so much for people. Okay, let's check the group chat now in Zoom. Right, got a new member here. There we go. There we go, guys. Beautiful. Boom, guys. Yulchi, did you hold this one? Because if you did lose 3%, then you're probably using a crazy lot size. You can maybe make 3% on that trade. Guys, I'm running 10 pips here, $100, and it's still going. Okay, perfect. Nice tap, 12 pips. All right, is anyone holding this? You'll cheat, yes, bro. My man, there you go. Buddy, lower your lot sizes, okay? And make sure you read that PDF, okay? For real, it's going to help you understand, all right? Okay, so straight off the bat, we opened up bullish here, starting to get that 15-minute level support, okay? And that's that new 8 a.m. candle, guys. Okay, remember I told you, if you're not trading right now, wait for that new hourly candle to come into play, all right? So let's see how we're going to make a move here on this first 5-minute candle. Okay, so right off the bat, guys, you can see how important it is to draw your overall stationary support and resistance levels. Okay, guys, I'm coming to a break-even hit. All right, let's see if this is going to break. Still good. So do you see how it is so important to watch the new, sorry guys, this stupid chart. See how it's so important to watch the new hourly change up? That's why I always say every single day, make sure to watch hourly. Okay guys, I just got stopped out at break even, okay, in terms of that gold sell, all right? And that's why I said always wait for the hourly, and you can see why. Look at this momentum coming in. Oh, 3 minutes and 20 seconds here. Look at that, guys. My man, that's crazy. Oof. Okay, new hourly candle, guys, continuing bullish here. Look at this. lot of strength pushing in there. I'm still going to enter in that sell if we get back down there, guys. Okay, so look at this, still going. Let the first 5 minute play out. 3 minutes here. All right, so the only thing I lost was about $7 on that commission. Okay, let's go take a look at that DXY real quick. Oof, guys, big sell-off. Look at that. Continuing, look at this. Let's take a look at the hourly here real quick. Okay, look at that little gap down here. You can see price, all right, in terms of that dollar index. We can probably get back down even to this general area right in here. Okay. Look at that full imbalance fill here. Push, pull, coming back down. Most likely anywhere around in this area, guys, you're going to start to see some consolidation. I still think the DXY can drop. Okay. I still think we can get down a little bit further. Maybe it's at 110.7. Okay, so let's watch and see how this is going to go. This is on the hourly. Remember this. Okay, it's not 15 minute or 5. You can see we're still dumping, guys. Okay, so let's go back and take a look at gold. We'll head over and do NASDAQ too. Okay, look at Goldie here, still holding a bit. And we're pushing right back down. See that stupid first 5 minute candle, guys? Look at this. That's the stop loss red candle. Let's see if we're going to get our continuation here. Look at that, guys. Okay, I re-entered again. I told you I was going to re-enter on that candle if it dropped down below 1653.3. Okay. Watch that big stop loss rate again. See what's going to happen here. We've got about 30 seconds. Okay, if you guys held your original, remember that 55 area is going to be your area of stop loss. Okay. Guys, let me quickly check out the likes here so we can maybe move on to NASDAQ too. Oh, there's gold. Yes, let's go here. Yes, guys. Okay, 120 likes. We're going to monitor now both NASDAQ and gold. Okay. If you guys don't feel like your stop loss to break even this time, you can see the manipulation that happened on the first 5 minute candle here. That's why I always say wait beforehand for that new 5 minute candle to go, and you can see it's a pure stop loss rate. All right. Now we can probably fill this wick. All right. We totally can. But again, the momentum is still now shifting towards a little bit bearish here. So let's just watch and see our continuations. They're getting extremely held up at that 15 minute support, which is that rough 1653, 1652, guys. 1652 is where they're holding here. You can see it. So if we don't break below, guys, and you guys enter in again, maybe take some off the surface here, maybe 75-80%, and leave a 20% runner. Okay? Because this level is showing strength in terms of support. Okay? Look to the left. All right, you can see here that we are in buying area. Okay, so we're going to monitor this accordingly. I'm going to let this thing play out. Okay, all right, and we're going to head over and do NASDAQ now. So I'm going to set an alarm both areas. I'm going to drop a little bit below here. Okay, look at the strength, guys. Okay, so monitor this one accordingly. All right, we'll get some updates in a second here. And I'm going to head over and do NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ, guys. Nice consolidative structure here. just sideways movement. This is not something I really want to be a part of. So maybe let's take a look at the Dow Jones. Okay, look at the Dow too, kind of the similar structure here. Okay, so maybe we'll focus on NASDAQ just because it's a little bit slower, okay, and less momentum coming in. So let's do a top down here, guys. Let's move the drawings. Let's go to our daily. And we'll go from there. You'll see just seeing this now, bro. Send it in the group chat, okay? One of our moderators will take a look at it. I don't really have time during the stream, all right? But that's why the group is there, all right? So we got some daily resistance here, guys. Okay, and then you can see the nice level of support. I'm going to use the wick, okay, for the daily support. All right, let's go take a look at the 4 hour here. Okay, so take a look at the 4 hour on the Dow, on NASDAQ here. All right, so you can see, look to the left. All right, we have nice potential sell structure starting to form. Okay, we've made a high. All right, we've made a low level support structure on the daily, and now we're maybe going to come back up and test that daily. All right, so momentum is still very strong. All right, we're just getting some bullish support level here that's you know, very impactful on the current indice. So let's just go take a peek here, start to draw our 4 hour rough areas here. Okay, so I got some 4 hour resistance coming in just where we're getting some current push down here on the wick. Okay, so you can see we have our 4 hour resistance so far. Okay, and then you can see we have some 4 hour support just holding below. All right, if you look to the left here, you can see price is starting to hold from previous structure. We broke it, and then we're starting to push back, you know, getting a nice hold above that 11,485. And I'm looking for my 4 hour support. Okay, guys, and the current time is around 8:09 here. Let's watch and see that first 15-minute candle. Okay, first 15-minute candle is going to tell us a lot how structure is going to play out. Me personally, I see a beautiful M pattern here. It's a lot of potential for this to happen. Okay. You can see the wicks are starting to get a little bit pushed back down now. Not much strength so far. Okay, I'm going to use some key levels here for my nice. Move that up just a bit here. I want to see what's going on to my left. Okay, so some hourly support just in previous structure here. So 1 hour support. And then for my hourly resistance, going to use the top wick. Okay, preceding structure here we got going on at around roughly 11,557. And guys, it can be totally different from what you're doing. Remember, these charts, they're different in terms of liquidity. All right, this is on global prime. Okay, if we use like FXCM or currency.com or whatever it may be, they might be a little bit different, right? So, but the candlesticks, they're roughly going to be the same. All right, that's the key thing. Okay, I've said this numerous times on the stream. If you guys are still new, just make sure you understand that, to watch both. Okay, it's literally impossible for everyone to, you know, find the exact same chart that we're working with and then go from there. Okay, so one sec, guys. Okay, so 1 hour resistance. Okay, there's Goldie. Let's see if we got that pump or dump. Okay, gold's starting to rise just a bit. We'll go back there in 2 seconds. Let's just finish up this charting here. Let's go to the 15-minute. It's still hovering in between that area, guys. Okay, so nice bullish support here starting to hold in the 15. All right, there's not too much level below here. $15-minute support. Okay, and you can see what we got going on here, guys. If you look to the left here on NASDAQ, okay, we are approaching that daily. Okay, that's strong here. This momentum is extremely impactful with the buyers. Okay, you can see it's pretty straightforward here. Nothing is getting in terms of sells. You can see, sorry, the RSI here is still nice bullish. Okay, so we're gonna add that 50 line on there, and then start to finish this bad boy up. Okay, we'll take a look at the 5, and then we're back in that shitty consolidation that we were once in before. So when you're in this level, guys, you want to look for a psychological number here just above if you don't have anything. All right, so a nice number would be, 11,575, 11,570. Okay, roughly the midpoint. Okay, and you can add that as like a 5-minute resistance. All right, so let's see how it's going to move. And yeah, let's add some consolidation in here, guys. You can see that this thing is heavily consolidated. We're going to mark this in here, that gap box. Okay, this is what we're bouncing in here. You can see the support level and the resistance level. And we got about 2 minutes till that 15-minute candle coming in, guys. Okay, so we'll monitor NASDAQ here accordingly. We'll set an alarm right here. If we go bullish, guys, like I said, let's take a look. RSI, nice support level holding the 50. Ali, the weird price action is due to NFP this week. I think I mentioned it at least 40 times, but it's okay. NFP, guys, and FOMC. All right, so for all you guys who are trading addicts and this and that, everything is going to be distorted until we have this movement. It was like this last month. I don't know if you remember it or not, but it's the way it is. Everything is going to be news driven. Okay, so take a look here. We got a nice support level. Okay, nice hold here, starting to push price to the upside. Oops, sorry, wrong one. Okay, and let's monitor this here. Set some alarms real quick. And then I'm going to set one just below hand. Okay. Okay, guys, here's that new 815. Let's go take a look at gold, guys. I'm going to open up my my Zoom now again and take a look at what we got going on here. Okay, so look at gold here. Oh, gold is still pushing up, guys. Big strength here. Okay, gold is still continuing, nothing holding below. All right, pushing back up along that trend. I'm down $10, guys, on the initial feeler sell. Okay, and you can see $15, and my stop loss is about to get hit right now for, let's see, not yet. Let's see, we get that 1655.5, which is right above. Right around in here. And that would be a $15 loss for me. Let's see how she's going to go. Okay, let's just mark that up here with red so you guys can see it. New 15-minute volume here, pushing it very strong, guys. 1655.5. Make that red, see if it tapped. All right, let's see if that's going to hit it. And this would be the re-entry, guys. Okay, I was running again. I think NASDAQ is going bullish here. We'll watch that. Okay, my stop loss just got hit, guys. $20 loss. Okay, I was up. All right, then we started to chart NASDAQ, and then it slowly crept up, didn't watch it, and then you can see definitely hit the stop loss there. So that would be roughly about 20 pips negative. All right. So right now, currently down. My one was break even, so I just hit it. So I'm down 20 pips. All right. So let's see by the end of the stream if we can make this up. All right. Always 0.1, guys. Always 0.1 for me, right against the stream. As soon as I start, and we'll go from there. So let's take a look at the 15-minute now. See how this is going. Okay, we're still pushing up, guys. Still strong. Okay, so look, the rejection level, that was the red area stop loss here. You can see nice resistance. And we're going to watch and see that now maybe 8:30 time here. And let's go take a look at NASDAQ too. Sorry, that's 15-minute, guys. Okay, and we'll take a peek at NAS, and we'll leave gold alone for now here. I'm still going to keep that there. Okay, NASDAQ is bullish too. Okay, so let's monitor here, guys. Let's go take a look at our DXY too. I think we're probably dropping some more. GU is still buying here, right at the fib 0.618. Okay, and the DXY is still dropping below that, guys. Still dropping below. We are still selling off here. That's crazy. All right, do you guys remember we were at 111 yesterday? Remember the target we hit? Okay, and you can see now heavy rejection coming in right on the sell-offs. That thing's still going to pump, guys. Let's see if maybe we can catch the buys. Okay, there we go. 1655. Let's see the nice psychological number here. So this is why you use stop losses, guys. Okay, happens all the freaking time. All right, let's see now. We got the next level. We got 1656. Let's watch and see here. Okay, we'll monitor NASDAQ too. I'm going to leave gold alone to about 8:30. We're going to set up that next psychological 1657 area, just above it. Okay, perfect. And here we go, guys. Let's watch and see. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we're going to break down here. All right, let's go take a look at NASDAQ too. Still printing in buys. All right, so I'm going to take a little steady break here, guys, right now. Having a break-even stop loss and then one loss wasn't for much, okay? But again, I'm going to wait for my 8:30 time frame to see if anything's going to come in for a better opportunity here, okay? Okay, there's NASDAQ, okay, getting that rejection here. Okay, so nice sells here. Let's see on Goldie, see if we're dumping off. A little rejection. See that 57 area? Okay, guys, let's see if we're going to get this drop. Okay. So they're holding above that daily, guys. That 55 is key. All right. You can see how important it is. And okay, there we go. See, they're pinching it down. Okay, let's take a look at NASDAQ here too. My NASDAQ levels, guys, for sells. Okay. Let's watch and see here. 1 second. 11530. Okay, 11530. Okay, right around that level right there. Okay. Nice structured support. You can see price started to drip down a little bit, and it's still holding that key critical support. Okay, so still strong here, still continuing. All right, same with gold, still holding above that daily. Okay, we got about 7 minutes, guys, till that 8:30 time. Okay, so we're still gonna push, guys. Looking pretty strong here. Let's go take a look at our DXY. NASDAQ is still strong, guys. Look at this. GU still printing buys right above that 618 fib. The DXY is going bye-bye here. Okay, let's see where we're at in terms of that hourly support. Okay, here we go, guys. So we're gonna come around here. Remember we talked about this hourly. Okay, they're still printing that sell. They're still selling the dollar strong, guys. But as soon as we get in here, we might get a little bit of a rebound. You can see that what happened in around this area. All right. But it's going to take a little bit of time for us to even get there. Okay. It's coming down pretty strong here. Let's add now our opportunities, getting everything set in play. Okay, so this is a short-term demand zone on the hourly. Remember this. All right, so we're continuing. Let's see, guys, if we break this, we're coming back down to that 110,500. Okay, let's just mark that up. Got an alarm set here. Okay, this was from, I think, a few weeks ago for me, not a few weeks ago, but a few days ago for me, just having that critical level hit. Okay, remember the 111 yesterday? All right, we had an alarm set here. 110.5 is always set. All right, anything like that, 110.25, 110.5, 110.75, 111, anywhere around those fluctuations, that's what I have alarm set on. Okay, so let's watch and see now. You can see they're getting a little bit of wick here on the hourly, guys. So let's take a peek at everything else. I told you that 8:25, 8:30 time frame is what we're going to look for here. And you can see what's going on. Look at the divergence here. Okay. And you can see prices starting to make a move to the upside. So let's watch. Nice continuation. And the GU's printing buys here, guys, getting a little rejection here. NASDAQ is printing too. Okay, and then you can see gold is still holding above there, guys. Look at that strength. I'm a little iffy on the buys right now. That's just me. Like, if it does buy, guys, like I said, we can probably get to 1660. Let's take a look at that hourly here for Goldie. Like I said, 1660 rough area, 1659. 1660 is that next candle open here. You can see it tried to push up and then dropped. We got to get above this level here, though, that 1657. So that's why I'm kind of like iffy on those buys. Like, it's possible, okay? It is very possible for this opportunity to come, but it needs more strength here. Okay, like this is a strong move. Let's look at this from an overall picture view on the hourly. Okay, you can see this will be the flip. If they break above here, guys, and they hold, okay, then they're probably going to go to that 16, maybe 60, which is the next candle open like I just talked about. But just watch and see here how the new 30-minute candle is going to open. That's the key, because it's still looking like a nice rejection coming in here. Okay, if this happens, guys, and we start to sell, okay, this might be FOMO for a lot of other people, right? But I'm going to hammer a bigger fucking lot size if this thing drops down, okay, to make up for all that mess. So let's watch and see. Okay, so coming back down, let's go take a look at NASDAQ too. We're back on the 5. NASDAQ's still strong, guys. Okay, so nice move here coming in. NFPs coming, guys. We have FOMC. Okay, so getting some rejection here. Let's see, guys, here, okay? Okay, back at gold. Let's see here, guys. NASDAQ still holding. Okay, so here's that 8:30 time, guys, coming in. This is what I wanted to wait for, okay? Nice strength here. Okay, gold is still flipping. Bullish, nothing is selling, okay? So here's the time. 8:30. This is my new time that I'm watching for here, guys. All right. Be careful doing anything. Watch the 30-minute time. Okay, we're still looking very strong on NASDAQ here. All right, gold is still very strong too. Gold is strong today, guys. Wow. Gotta love Tuesdays. Look at this, still holding. They want to break that. Okay, see, let's go take a look at the 15-minute again. Do you see how they stayed within that ascending? Do you see the pattern here? They still stayed within that. So that's a good sign for me. That's a good sign for me, okay? I entered in on a gold sell with a little bit higher of a lot size, okay? Let's watch and see if we're going to get that dump. See that 57 area? All right, let's watch, guys. See, they're coming into that apex. Still very strong. So watch when it gets down to that 53 area, original entry. All right, it's still very strong, guys. Okay. I'm in from up here, okay? I'm in from 1656.5, okay, right around in the wicks. Okay, but again, for you guys, just let's watch and see how it's going to go. I would not be smashing sells just yet. Okay, let's see in terms of price how we're going to get maybe a re-entry here. Okay. And let's take a look at NASDAQ here real quick. NASDAQ is still strong, guys. Okay, my stop loss is break even on gold again. Okay, so if we're going to continue, guys, NASDAQ is looking juicy here for this 5-minute break, maybe to the daily. Okay. I don't really want to buy on that stuff, though. Personally, I don't want to buy, but if it's going to go, guys, just watch, see it goes. I'm not personally going to buy this, but we'll watch and see here. There it goes. Testing that level, we can probably get to the daily if that's going to come into play here. Okay. So let's look on the hourly here on NASDAQ. See, we talk about the daily here, guys. This is what the daily is looking like for me. Okay, this level right around here. Okay, let's maybe move it down for the wick. Guys, I get nervous on buying the highs. You guys understand? You know, you want to sell the highs and buy the lows. So this right here is not aligning with my trading style. Okay, if it wants to push past and go, let it do it. Let it do it, guys. Okay, I'm okay with missing some of this. All right, hopefully you guys are too. You can see here the structure that we have even on the 15-minute. Nice ascending movement coming in. Very similar to gold structure, guys. Okay, very similar here. Nice ascending movement. All right, so they might be not. I don't think they're manipulating this. I think they're just normal price actions playing out. All right, and guys, for the new people that are signing on, remember there's about 800 people on here again. This is the news we have at 10, right? So they could be just sideways trading this, manipulating it until this news starts to drop. All right, this could maybe even out the market, see what's going to happen here, but this is the news that we're waiting for. Okay. 10 o'clock. So I'll be staying here till about maybe 10:05 just to watch the open, and we're going to do market open too. But if we're not going to get anything before then, you know what I mean, just in terms of my analysis and my strategy, okay, then it is what it is. I'm not going to try to force anything. All right, just because we're trading here doesn't mean shit. All right, it means that we want to find impactful moves, and I think gold is now running. There we go. Okay, so we're right back there, guys. Am I in gold sales? I'm in from the top, guys. I got 1656, roughly 0.5. My stop loss at break even. Okay, so if you guys are not in anything right now, just sit back and relax. Okay? Sit back and relax. Okay, they're not letting it break below that 1 hour structure, guys. That hourly structure is at 1653.5. This is some choppy stuff here, guys. So when this stuff happens, okay, like I don't know if you guys are familiar with like Mondays, Tuesdays, you know, Wednesdays. Just keep in mind that this week, I said a few times now, I'll say it again. We have NFP on Friday, okay, and then we have FOMC tomorrow. So we also have 10 a.m. news. So what we're trading now, you know, it could be just, you know, just algo trading, you know, just making moves leading into the overall, you know, news at 10, right? And yeah, Marcus, we do have earnings too. So this whole week could be, you know, just a pile of rubbish until maybe 10 a.m. and then following FOMC tomorrow. The first week of every month, guys, it's very hard to trade, especially the first couple days. Okay, market is not the market, but the companies are closing off month ends. You know what I mean? We do have new news coming in. Everything's kind of resetting here. Different seasonalities changed, so you got a lot of things to take into consideration. All right. So if we take a loss, right, it's completely normal. That the best thing you could try to do is take a break-even loss. All right. And freestyle, free life, some choppy chit. You know how it is. But this is if you're new, okay, guys. Like if you're trading for a while, you guys definitely understand this, okay? So let's take a peek here, guys. See what I got going on. 1657 here, okay. Yeah. 11 1. Okay, let's see. We got this gold here. Gold sell 1657, so that would have been a nice scalp. All right, and guys, at the beginning of the call, I did say I was using lower lot sizes today. So, okay, let's take a look at the NASDAQ here at 11565. Let's take a look at this. 11565. Okay, here we go, guys. This is 11565. All right, so we just kind of tapped that level. That was a system mark that we got. Okay, so we would have missed this, but let's see how this is going to play out here. Okay, let's see how this is going to play out. I took a $1 sell on NASDAQ, guys. I'm going to see how it's going to play out. I'm in from just right below here. 1156. 1156.2. Yeah, 62 right around in there. Okay, so that's where I am. That's where the nice symbol is. Okay, let's see how this is going to go. Do you want to know why, David? This is a good lesson because the market is not going in our favor, and this is what happens for a lot of traders. You know, it's all fun and games when you can make pips, all right, and you can do the real thing. But what the real how you become better in learning is when you start to lose. Sadly, because then you really dissect what's going on here. Okay. So, okay, guys, so we're just getting into it here. You can see coming back to right that 1165 level. Okay, let's monitor this key level right in here. Okay, if you didn't take anything on NAS, just sit back and relax. This was from our system. Okay, I think we're going to go at least a little bit more bullish here for a little bit, but we'll watch and see. Okay, and yeah, we'll go from there. The only thing is the resistance held that got broken here. Okay, so a nice big push. So we're going to see if we're going to get a nice little potential short opportunity here coming down below. If it doesn't close below, guys, you do not enter. Okay, give it some time here. If your stop loss, you're looking for any kind of stop, give it above that 5 minute, maybe a little bit higher. Okay, and don't use a higher lot size. Okay, let's see how this is going to move. All right, and let's check over and see that gold trade here too. Okay, gold is actually back coming to that break even area. Okay, look at what we got going on here. A lot of sell pressure coming in now. Rob, bro, I tried messaging you this morning, man. It says we're not in the same Discord server, so can you, if you have Telegram, bro, can you message me? I need to talk to you about a couple things. Okay, so there we go. This thing's running, guys. I'm looking good. All right, let's go take a look at NASDAQ. Okay, a little bit of doji action here. sure we can watch NASDAQ. Don't enter in before that hourly. Okay, that's a support level that's been held a few times. Just be patient here, guys. Okay, 8:45 here. We're coming to that last 15-minute candle before the new hourly. Okay, this is going to be a switch over from that 8 till 9, guys, and then we're just going to monitor probably Dow and NASDAQ until market open. All right. After that, guys, we'll decide what we want to do. Do we want to go into maybe watching gold for this news? We'll decide, but the news is going to be high impact. Okay, this is red folder news. Okay, so we'll make that decision kind of closer to the time. NASDAQ is still holding here, a little pullback coming in, still strong. Cool, guys, gold just tanked. Let's go look at gold. Okay, trying to break in that level again. You can see they're testing it. Look at the strength of that. This hourly now is not resistance. So when you're going your top downs, okay, just keep in mind that this will now be a support level here. Okay, so if we break this support, then it's going to fall. It's not resistance anymore. Okay. Personally, on gold, I wouldn't be selling at this structure. Okay, just letting you guys know. I wouldn't, just in case price does pick up more volume at the 15-minute level support again. You can see how they did it to the left. All right, we're in a short-term uptrend here. Okay, and we're still holding that level. So that's what I'm saying. Just hold tight here. If it does drop, guys, then you just watch it go. All right, you don't need to chase or do anything like that. Fuck's sakes. See what I mean? Just don't chase. Like, just let's watch and see how this plays out. And we'll go from there. Okay, let's see NASDAQ here. Another rejection level again. And you can see Goldie. I'm going to update a quick trend line here so you guys can be with me. The same kind of idea. Oh, wrong one. Here we go. Okay, see? Let's see if we're going to hold or go below that 10. Okay, see that trend, guys? I noticed this just as price was dropping down. Okay, you can see from roughly 6. Okay, they're holding that level, bounced on wick, 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 and then you can see the close here, and then the open of the candle starting to push. So it needs to break here to go down. All right, it needs to, if it's going to continue, obviously. If not, then you're going to pick up more volume at this level, and you're going to start to see this thing push back, coming into the overall maybe 15-minute. Okay, let's take a look at NASDAQ too. Okay, still strong, guys. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so let's mark maybe some consolidation. We got the top here, the wick. And we got the bottom here starting to hold at that 1 hour. Make that nice consolidation zone. And then we'll go from there. Okay, you can see how important this level is though, guys. 11.565. Okay, guys, they're breaking here. Trying to break through. Let's see how we go here. For me, guys, this account I can hold a little bit more than I want to do with gold. So we'll watch and see on NASDAQ here. All right, nothing broke below your guys' entry level. All right, I told you I'm took a little sell right down here, so I'm down about 6 pips. All right, so my trade account can handle this. Like I said, your entry would have been down in here. Okay, we're going to see how this is going to move. We're going to fill that wick, maybe tap that overall trend line continuation, and we're going to see this big move now. It's very, very bullish, guys. Even gold is holding. Take a look at gold. Yeah, remember I told you? Nice trend line support. So we're going to watch and see here. Here's that last 15-minute candle, guys, coming. It's about a minute and 30 gone into it. All right, we're going to see now if the buyers can still hold. See what I mean? There's that trend line, guys, still holding. Nice buyers coming in. Nothing's breaking below. So my 56 trade at the top is still good, but this secondary entry, the original entry we had, is still not breaking. They're not allowing it to break down just yet, okay? This maybe be a head and shoulder pattern, but if we hold here, you can see it's maybe going to be a W, which is a double bottom, okay? And if we do break, guys, then the momentum is still just switching from the buyers to sellers. Okay, it's still down about $4 on NASDAQ now. So we'll take a look at it. $3 fluctuation. And guys, this is a smaller account, okay? This is a smaller account. It's got about 1,600 in it. All right, $1. Okay, so my return that I'm looking for is maybe 20, 30 pips if we get it at all. All right. Back to gold. Okay, it's still push. Some trading crypto. I don't really like scalping crypto, guys. I've done it a few times and it's not the fun. It's not fun because the spreads are crazy high, guys. The spreads are crazy high. Okay, there's Goldie here coming back down. Let's see if we're going to test that trend line again. Okay, guys, it's now current time is 8:50 here. 8:50. Do I swing crypto? I just buy and accumulate, guys. I treat crypto as any other normal stock. Buy and hold. Okay, so here we go, guys. Remember that hourly support is still holding strong. Let's take a look at some other stuff here, guys. Look at the Dow here. Still choppy on the Dow. Okay, so take a look at oil here. Still holding bullish support level. Okay, nice continuation. All right, nice big volume based push. All right, GJ, we don't really look at GJ too much, but I really want to check out one more thing. I want to check out GU and the DXY here. No THC in the vape today, guys. Okay, there's GU getting a nice engulfing candlestick. Look at that fib level, 0.618. All right, and you can see the rejection happen right at the golden zone. Okay, pushing back down, coming to that 0.5. All right, and I want to see what's going on with the DX. Okay, so you can see here, remember we talked about this on the hourly. Look at how it's looking on the 15-minute. Okay, remember we talked about demand zone, which are buyers stepping in here. It respected that area pretty strong at this time. Okay, so we're going to see maybe if we're going to get that continuation. Let's take one more time a peek at this hourly here. Actually, sorry, the 15-minute will look a little bit better on this if we can see it. See how it's getting a flat bottom here? Price is coming into almost a wedge. All right, very similar to how we had the gold trade. Okay, but now the DXY is forming the bearish where gold was forming bullish. Okay, and there's the GU trade at 618. You can see here nice continuations. Let's go look at the 5. Still breaking down. There we go. Let's see NASDAQ here. Come on. Let's see if we can get that break. Okay, and let's go take a peek at gold. My goodness. Welcome to Tuesday trading, guys. Am I selling gold, Jerome? I've been in from the top at the wick. This was one of the entries beforehand. And guys, if you guys are looking to sell gold, or if you already have your stop loss around that daily again. Okay, don't let it go any higher, just in case this is a pullback and we do start to run bullish. All right. There we go. Let's see. There we go. Let's see if we can get that tap, guys. Okay, so this is going to be the 1 hour support as well. Choppy. All right. Let's just sit back and relax, guys. We got 5 more minutes until that new. Sorry. Until that new hourly change up. Maybe we can get some more volume based on that. Let's go look at Goldie here. Yeah, there you go, guys. When we talked about this, still holding that trend line. All right, this is not good trading right now. This should be actually zone to zone. If I had known that we were working from the support level at the 15-minute and then the 1657, what we would have done, guys, is look at zone to zone. Okay, I think we're going to come up a little bit higher here. Zone to zone trading. Okay, nice sells here. Okay, that would have been red, and you have nice buying opportunities down here. Okay, so let's watch and see how this is going to move. There's so much doji action here. All right, guys. So my NASDAQ, I'm running $3 on NASDAQ sell. we go. And then look at gold still holding, okay? Here we go, guys. Just about 2 minutes now. Let's watch that new hourly flip. This is what I'm waiting for. Look at these candles here, guys, on gold, right? Even the DXY. Let's go take a peek at this real quick. Even GU's GU's is actually a really beautiful sell opportunity here. And then you're coming in. Look at look at this rejection coming in, guys. Coming right back down to that demand. Let's see if we're going to hold this support. If this thing drops, guys, this thing is going to push right past that demand zone. All right, and let's take a look at real quick our oil is saying it's overbought on the 5, 15, and 10 minute. Okay, oil is overbought on the 5, 15, and 10. Let's see what we got going on here. Take a quick real peek at oil. NASDAQ still holding. Goldie's finding a little bit of support level. Okay, look at the US 32, guys. This thing is all choppy today. Ay, ay, ay. There's oil here. All right. Let's erase this. See what we got going on. Nice big bullish momentum on oil, guys. Nothing has broken below here. We're still on a beautiful trend from that bottom wick. Okay, you can still see it starting to make its move to the upside. Okay, tried to break down, volume pushed. Okay, held, bounced, and now we're still continuing. So we got about just under 30 seconds for that new hourly change up, guys, and we're going to watch and see how price is going to move. Gold is still holding here. Okay, here we go. New change up. See, you started the No Shave November. Oh, buddy, I started that about 2 years ago. Okay, so here's the open, guys. Let's watch the first 5-minute candle. All right. Okay, gold is not getting affected. NASDAQ is starting to break down. Very similar to US 30. So, guys, literally, do you understand? We've been sitting here watching paint dry for the past, let's see here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, almost 45 minutes. We have been watching this thing bounce up and down. All right. So, if that doesn't tell you that this thing is just consolidated, then I don't know what will. This is hurting my eyes. If this was me trading, guys, I would tell you what I would do. Okay, I would literally take a seat, turn off my chart, and then come back at 10 a.m. But we're going to watch New York Open here. Maybe there's going to be a little bit more volume pushed into there, but that's just me. Okay. But if you guys are down to watch some paint dry with me, let's rock and roll. Okay, there's NASDAQ testing it now. What color of paint? It's definitely not blue. We're going into red and blue, the both of it. I'm just surprised that they haven't even wicked down below here, guys. Gold's breaking up. Let's see if it is. Yeah, there we go, guys. There's that support level hold. Remember I told you just hold tight on it? Okay, let's go take a look at NASDAQ. There we go. There we go, guys. I'm running 9 pips. Let's see if it's going to continue. Okay, now remember, if this thing drops, guys, if you guys did hold it, if you guys were in with me, I don't know if you were or not, but just remember, this trend line can be a dirty prick, okay, which means they can come back down. If they're going to get down there, they can come back and then shoot back up, okay, and then test there and make a new higher high. All right, this could be a short-term pullback, even if it gets down there. If not, and you didn't enter, because you were waiting for the new hourly flip, you can see the wick just pushed back down, and they're still holding that trend. Sorry, that support level. I remember this was like London session a while ago. It was just hurting the eyes. What kind of sports do I like, guys? Basketball, rugby, football, everything. Boxing. I like UFC too. I like everything. I was raised playing sports. Oh, guys, members. There we go. Let's see. Let's see the manipulation here right at that trend, guys. So you're going to retest it. We're going to see if it's going to hold true or not. Okay, it's still holding that trend. Break. Here's the retest. We're going to see if this is going to be a continuation. This might be a head and shoulder pattern, guys. Shit. Let's go. Let's see if that thing's going to drop. Need to break below that trend. As soon as it breaks below here, guys, I think we can make a little bit more of a move to the downside. I played outside, inside, center for rugby, guys, and fullback. Fullback was the best. I like soccer too, guys. I know I'm gonna get grilled for saying this, but I like Manchester. Always have. Oh man, this is hurting the eyeballs, guys. Manchester United, not City, guys. Sorry. I've seen Haaland. Yep. Okay, so here's the first 5 minutes, guys. That's closed here. We got a new candle coming in. We're probably gonna watch. I like probably US 30. We're gonna stick with. Okay. What I think of MFF's accelerated program. I think it's a great program. I think all of their accounts are good. If you guys can just understand risk. I think that's the thing. Okay. Brandon, if you like Liverpool, bro, all good. Doesn't affect me that much. Okay, let's take a look at GU here. Okay, still holding those fib levels. Okay, we're still tapping, going to come back and tap that 618 level. Okay. And then you can see, remember we talked about the DXY sinking, it's starting to get back down on that level, guys. How much did I make today? I lost a break-even trade, which I was down $7. Hit a lost 20 pips, so 20 bucks, and I'm currently up just 100 on that gold sell from the top. So about 80 bucks so far. But the real question is, how much did you guys make in terms of pips and percentages? Okay, we're going down here, guys. This thing is dumping off. Okay, that means you're going to see GU bullish, and if correlated gold is going to go bullish too. NASDAQ is retesting that level. Okay. You can see gold is starting a little rejection here. So we'll see if we're going to hold on this break in the support. But these are key levels, guys. I'm telling you right now. Okay, very critical levels here. Remember, so I'm going to give you guys a couple opportunities coming in here. So I'm going to give you guys the DOW. I got a juicy DOW sell waiting. Okay, I got a DAX sell here too. I'm gonna drop this in for you guys. I got one more oil sell coming in here. So 3 trades, guys. Monitor these accordingly, okay? The stop loss and TP adjust based on your risk. Yeah, 3. Okay. All right, guys. So NASDAQ's pushing right back up. So did gold here. Okay, still holding that trend, guys. All right. Still bullish at this time. Look at Goldie still walking up, still holding that overall trend. Guys, I'm going to take a 2-second break here. I just have to quickly go refill my coffee. I have a good level set up on US 30 and the NASDAQ. Okay, so we will update that as soon as I get back, and we'll go from there. Okay, so just take a quick little break, guys. It's needed after this. Like, if you guys understand one thing, okay, trading is never going to always go your way. All right, no matter what, it's just part of the game. Okay, there's no system, there's no trader, there's no nothing in the world that is always perfect. You just have to sit back and watch how things are going to move, and if they make sense for you, then you take a trade, and if you follow your risk, the outcome should be okay with you. All right, so let's watch and see here. We're going to leave gold alone. I will be back in 2 seconds, guys. All right. All right, coffee refilled, guys. You can see gold is still holding that trend. Okay, still very strong from that overall trend line here. Let's go monitor everything now. It's 9:13, guys. So perfect time coming in. About 9:15 candle. All right. Let's go NASDAQ. You can see nice rejection here. Still holding that trade. Okay, pushing right back down. And you can see that GU is starting to push back that fib at 618 like we talked about. All right. And then the DXY bad boy is right back in that buying area on the hourly. Okay, this is an hourly demand zone. Okay, and you can still see we're sinking back down. Okay, so I'm going to update this real quick just because we have broken past here, and we can start to see that now price is getting respected. You can see the wick bounce here, support level, and then you can see another wick bounce. Okay, it looks pretty bearish to me, guys, not going to lie to you. All right, but we'll watch and see. If we dump down here, we can probably get down to 10. Let's take a look at the hourly real quick. At least 10,650. Okay. $1110.650. Okay, right around in there if we can sink down, which is, you can see the wick rejections to the left. Okay, and then you can see the overall support level that has started to hold. If we're going to break this level at all, okay, that would be the next TP, which we're going to set an alarm on and then go from there. Okay, so we'll head back. Look at gold here, 1654. Still very indecisive on Goldie here. You can see all this charting. We're going to just erase some of this stuff right here because it already moved. And you can see now that we're just within that 15-minute time, and we're still holding that 5-minute trend here, starting to continue the walk to the upside. Okay, and let's take a look at NASDAQ real quick. Still holding that overall entry at the hourly. Okay, you can see it was once level of support, now getting a little bit of resistance back down. And I believe probably the Dow is following almost the same pattern here. Yep, very similar. Very similar structure here, okay? Okay, so we're going to leave NASDAQ and everything alone. We're going to take a look at the Dow Jones here. All right. I'm still holding that original NASDAQ sell. All right. Currently, where's that bad boy? Currently at about $4. Okay, the feeler sells currently at 4. All right, so let's just monitor this. We're going to go take a look at the US 30 now, do a top down. All right, let's erase everything here and then go from the daily. All right, look at the strength, guys. Look at this thing. If we break here, I guarantee you we can get to 33600, okay, which is almost that top wick right up there. Look at the little bit of a gap fill, okay, to the left. All right, if we want to continue very strong here, we got roughly that 34,000 mark. Okay, so let's start doing our top down. Let's get everything ready to go here, and we will go from there. Okay, so nice big push in terms of daily resistance. Okay, I got some nice daily support level here. I'm actually going to use the wick, and we can use 4 hour for this. The candle closes, so daily support. Okay, we'll drop to the 4. Okay, so no 4 hour resistance that I have here. We do have the wick to the left, and then we have the candle close here. So we might use that 4 hour resistance level. Okay, 4 hour resistance. And then my support level is going to be just right above, guys. Okay, nice support. I'm going to stay until 10 o'clock, guys. We're going to watch that news folder release. Okay, that red folder. And we're going to take a look at that hourly now. A little bit of rejection here coming in. Okay, near that 4 hour and hourly. I'm going to mark a 1 hour. I'm not going to use 4 hour for, sorry, 1 hour resistance at all. Okay, we're just going to use that 1 hour support. Okay, NASDAQ is trying to push back down, very similar to the Dow here. Okay, let's take a look now at our 15-minute. Okay, so nice 15-minute above. Okay, and then I got some 15-minute support just below here, guys. There we go, NASDAQ is starting to sell off here. Okay, everything is starting to get that retracement coming in. 919. Let's take a look now at our 5-minute, guys. All right, so let's see, get our coordinates all set up here. Let's take a look. A key level here, 32981, 32982. Okay, 32981.7. There we go. Okay, so that was a sell opportunity, 32982. Okay, just a bit higher. All right, let's find out one more level here. 32941. Okay, so we're heavily above or below everything here, guys. Everything is starting to find that level of support near the 15. Okay, that's my critical level for the sell. We were watching NASDAQ and everything, and you can see it starting to push. Okay, so we're going to add some alarms here. And then an alarm just below here. And guys, if you're sitting there and you're wishing you're in any trades, or you're getting that itch to pull a trade, this is where you do not want to do that. Okay, I'm telling you right now, it's coming into about 10 minutes till market open. Okay, if we don't get any momentum continuations with NASDAQ or gold, you can see gold is still pushing up. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to wait until at 10 a.m. Okay, you can see the rejection level coming at the daily again. So this looks like a head and shoulder pattern here, but it also looks like an ascending, double bottom. Okay. And like I said yesterday, guys, that there is a key skill set into what we're doing right now. It is just staying patient and calm. Okay. No trade is better than a losing trade. Remember this. Okay. So I'm still in that NASDAQ sell. Okay. Still holding. We're just going to watch and see the next little bit, 8 minutes until that market open time. Okay. All right. Do you guys want to see NASDAQ or the Dow Jones for market open here? I have my preference. Okay. But we're going to watch and see. I want to see what you guys think. Remember, NASDAQ is already done. Okay. You have my support level entries. So the Dow is going to be just a little bit of needing of an update, and then we'll go from there. But again, just to show you guys, okay, look at this here, 10 a.m. Okay, we have also a 945 folder. It's not impactful. It's not like, red or orange, but what we have here is another folder release coming into play. Okay, so that'll be happening at literally 15 minutes right after. All right, and then after that 15 minutes, we have big red folder news. So this may be the reason why that everything is consolidated. Gold's pushing back down. Okay, oh wow, look at gold, guys. Look at that head and shoulder pattern here. Let's see if it's going to continue. I'm still in my trade from the top. Okay. I'm going to see if this thing's going to fall. just holding that critical level here. Look at how many times I've held that hourly, guys. Okay, so we got 5 minutes, guys. Let's do the Dow Jones today, okay? Let's do the Dow. We'll watch this critical level here. I do see a big wick up past that daily. Uno momento, por favor. Okay, NASDAQ is actually selling off pretty nice so far. Gold is trying to break down too. Okay. And then there's NASDAQ. Beautiful. Let's see if we can break that trend, guys. Okay, and we're going to watch, just monitor NASDAQ here, guys. I'm going to hold it. Okay, I have my stop loss right above that 5 minutes, so 11,575. And we're just going to see how it's going to go. There we go, guys. Let's see if we can slowly start to sink off. Goldie's testing again. And we're going to watch the Dow. Three, 2, 8, 2, 9. See where that bad boy is, just a little bit below. Okay, so nice big push above there. There we go, guys. Let's see if we can get that break. So this is the short position. I'm still holding NASDAQ as I'm running actually 13 pips. So we're just going to follow suit with the Dow, is same with NASDAQ here, okay? Okay, so here we go. Let's start to draw the rules, guys. 14. Nice, guys. NASDAQ is running. There we go. Oh, there we go. NASDAQ tapping. I know I like typing it out, guys. It just gets me prepared, just in case I want to edit it. Okay, pretty straightforward here. Wait 5-10 minutes until you feel comfortable. Do not risk more than 1%. All right. And then do not risk more than that 1%, guys. Okay, and use your stop loss and trailing stop where applicable. Okay. So let's watch and see here. Don't prematurely enter this, guys. If it drops down here, just let it do its thing. Still 2 minutes left. Okay. Fell comfortable. Absolutely. Thank you for the correction, guys. Must be my university education. Okay, look at gold still holding here. Look at the NASDAQ still. Yes, guys, there's NASDAQ. Fuck, finally. I'm running 14 pips on NASDAQ here. You can see I'm about to make up that gold trade. One trade, small account, 14, 13 pips. Just showed you. Okay. Still going to hold this and then go from there. The Dow, I think, just tapped that entry point. So if you guys are comfortable with it, you know, secure, don't get greedy on this. And then look at the Dow here, just tapping in. Look at that wick. All right. Let's see what we got going on here on the market open. About 1 minute and 24 seconds. So let's just maybe make this a broader picture of what we're dealing with, and then we can go from there. All right, so like I said, if you're chilling now, just wait 5-10 10 minutes. Let's watch and see how this market happens. Because if you watched yesterday, guys, they manipulated the hell out of it right at the beginning, and then we caught the final sell-off. All right. Well, here we go, guys. It's about under 30 seconds here. Okay, so look at the strength, guys. It's looking pretty bullish so far. You can see that wick down. All right. If we start to break above that 32982, okay, then like I said, this thing's going to flip into buys pretty strong. And here we go, guys. Just under 10 seconds. Okay, there's that wick. Look to the left here, guys. Let it play out. It's looking pretty strong here. All right, this is a lot of bull momentum stepping in. Okay, 4 minutes and about 15 seconds, guys. Just a dud. NASDAQ is fluctuating in and out. Yeah, NASDAQ is indecisive right now, pushing and pulling. Look at gold, he's still holding here, guys. Okay, look at NASDAQ. Tap that initial entry here. You can see it's pushing back up, pushing down. All right, look at that continuation. Probably out of that box, we're going to get a nice little push. Okay, look at this move here. Very strong. So if you guys closed out, that's a good idea from this original trade. Okay, we're just going to see how this is going to move. All right, me personally, I'm still in that trade. And I'll send that to the group. Okay, so let's still take a look at the Dow here, guys. Okay, so this thing hasn't really moved, guys. We're still in that consolidation on the Dow Jones. Right at that entry. So this is still the first 5 minute, guys. Still the first 5 minute. All right, gonna send that NASDAQ trade to the free FX group just so you guys can see that I was in NAS. I've just secured NASDAQ, okay, for around 20 pips. Okay, and if you didn't, you can see that what's happening here. We're starting to fluctuate price, getting that bullish momentum here. This is still the first 5 minute candle, guys. All right, how about gold? I'm not too sure. Let's go take a look at gold here. Gold is getting sucked back down. Okay, you can see it's just starting to close below that hourly. All right, remember we talked about that support level being held there. Just monitor this accordingly. Like I said, if it doesn't break down here, we're in that zone to zone trading right now, guys, until that 9:55, and then you have that 10 a.m. candle. All right, look at the Dow, guys, pushing up. Okay, it's still the first 5 minute, and the manipulation and the bullish momentum is still very strong for the Dow. Okay, still very strong. Just let it settle, let the first couple candles go by, and then take a look at it. This is a doo-doo auction, a doo-doo action. I love that saying, doo-doo. Choppy shit and doo-doo. So let it do its thing, guys. Let it play out here. Yeah, BU, I was thinking the same thing. Okay, there you go. Look at that big bullish support, guys. All right, there's US 30 tapping that original entry. Okay, this is, for me, this is nice. Okay, because that's the original sell that I had set up. Okay, that was my push through, which, sorry, not my push through, but my opportunity if we got into there based on sell. So it looks very strong, guys. Okay, so just don't fall for any of this shit. Just sit back and relax and be tight. Okay, here's the new candle. Sit on your hands and knees for now, guys. Like I told you, they have the power to get you in here and then go the other way. All right. Our goal is to watch 10 a.m. news. All right. That is my key time frame to watch, 10 a.m. Okay, so I actually am break even for this call, just a little bit actually under. I'm in red just because of that commission trade. All right, that we got stopped out at break even on gold. Fucking hell, man. Fucking hell. Pardon my français. Gay, gay, gay. Dumpski, NASDAQ. Look at this, guys. So much. Look at Goldie here, trying to push up and push back down. Look at the Dow indecisive. Gold is pushing down here, guys. If it breaks there, that thing is going to flop. GU's just consolidated. And then, guys, look at that beautiful DXY pattern here. Nice demand hourly. Here's that W pattern. If this thing pops, I'm telling you, we're going back to that maybe 111. If it continues, guys, if this thing holds. Okay. NASDAQ is still selling off, guys. Holy, look at gold, guys. Just a headache. Let's see if it makes it move. And look at the Dow here. Okay. See the sell-off coming in, guys? We're coming to that 1 hour support. How many times did we hold the 1 hour previous? Okay, how many times did we over and hold the 1 hour previous? Many times. Here we go. You see what I'm saying? Like 8 times, and now this is the 9. We are in a zone, guys. Okay, I'm probably sure you guys are familiar with this now. Okay, look at the zone we're trading in. Okay, on the Dow, that's about maybe a 60 pip move in a box. Okay, that's what we're in right now. You can see by the multiple support, resistance, okay. If I'm not walking down in anything, I don't know if you guys should be either. Like I said, we got about 20 minutes. And look at gold here. I can't make this stuff up, guys. Literally, I think we could have painted our entire house and watched it dry before we made any pips today. And look at NASDAQ here. Okay, we're going to get finally maybe a break of that 4 hour. Then look at this Dow right in the middle. Oh, there we go, guys. Getting some support level hold. Looking pretty strong so far, guys, in terms of support. This is why I said, let's just wait until news, guys. As much as I really want to say, like, let's all rock and roll here, let's all just chill out. Okay, and then Goldie here. Still nothing. NASDAQ is still selling off. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Joel, what's Bookmap saying? I don't have it right now, but it's actually not the best time use Bookmap during this, during all the volume. It's very distorted. Okay, it's very distorted when you have this much volume being pushed in. Okay, so we got about 3 minutes, guys, until that new 15-minute candle. All right. So let's just watch and see how that's going to open. Okay, yeah, we have Chicago. Okay, there's NASDAQ, guys. Let's see if it sucked back in. Okay, so NASDAQ did try to break down. They got to that hourly, and you can see the wicks that are starting to form here. So NASDAQ was a beautiful sell opportunity, but the choppiness is, it's not allowing it to break here. Like if we can get back to that 4-hour support, that'd be fantastic. But you can see all the wicks. I'm just going to drag this down so you guys can see. Look at the wick level here. Look at the support holding. Okay, this is market open candle. Okay, so I went through all this. Okay, I went through the drawdown, and it came back. But again, the lot size that I used, it wasn't anything that is going to be detrimental to the account. Okay. So gold is trying to dip down. The Dow Jones is just doing its own little thing. Okay, slowly. We got our new 50-minute candle, guys, coming in just under 30 seconds. Let's see how this is going to move. All right. This is what separates you guys from being an indecisive trader versus just being a patient trader. Okay. Okay, so critical level, guys. Let's see if this is going to break down here. Rape. Oh, fuck. I told you guys that was a big support level. Look at that thing just go. Oh, my goodness. You see that thing just drop, guys? That's prior, okay? That's prior to the new 15-minute candle here. Look at that thing go, guys. Let's see if it's going to continue. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that thing go. Fuck, I knew it was going to sell. Oh, there we go, guys. Coming back down to 32829. The sells, guys. The freaking sells. I knew it. Ay, ay, ay. Gold dumped off too. There goes gold, guys. There goes gold. All that paint drying for nothing. You can see, oh, ay, ay, ay. Remember that 9:45 news? Let's go take a look at this. That's what dropped this thing. Here we go. Let's spin this. Positive. Okay, so let's go take a look at the DXY real quick, guys. Let's see if we tap 111 here. There we go. Just slowly creeping up, guys. All right. It just took a little bit of time, guys. Remember, patience pays off here. Okay, so we're coming back down to a critical level, guys. All right, look at this we got coming in here. Guys, that was a implosion of a drop. If you guys caught it, like I said, I didn't, but you can see here that it running about 49, tapped about maybe 80 pips. Okay. Oh, this thing's gone. Let's see if it holds here or not. If it breaks down below, guys, we're falling. This thing's a free fall. Fuck. Had the right move, but gold is just slow here. But NASDAQ, let's see. Oh, guys, just go check out the free Telegram group if you guys want to see the updates. We're right at that 4-hour support now. Okay. The Dow is what I want to see here. Look at that critical level, guys. 32829. We got about 10 more minutes until news. So it was that 9:45 folder, guys. All right. So now we sit and we wait. Okay, let's see now we got going on here. This red folder news is going to be everything, okay? Guys, if you did take that, like I said, I told everyone to wait, but if you guys want to pump these likes up to maybe 300, something like that, just give me a little bit more motivation to stay on the stream. Got about 339. Let's see if we can smash 500 before that 10 a.m. news. Okay. Let's see what we got going on the 15-minute time frame. Here we go, guys. Okay, so look at where we're at right now. Okay, so if we drag this across, okay, look at the resistance that we were targeting. Okay, that's why I said that critical level here was acting as once resistance. All right, now is it going to act as support, or is it going to have a nice steady break and then we're going to fall back down even further, guys? Okay, like there's a lot of opportunity for this to happen. I don't really want to talk politics, guys. I don't even care about politics. There's only one P word I care about. Do you guys know what that is? Pips. You guys got it. Oh, Barney, no. None of that, buddy. That destroys you. And I still haven't got a discount code from the Telegram group girls or whatever they are. If this thing drops, guys, we're falling here, like hard. Okay? Okay, let's take a look at gold here. Beautiful. Look at Goldie, guys. Did anyone hold gold? And this, I say, patience just takes some time, guys. It just takes time. What a choppy chit session we had, but look, it just near the end. You know, head and shoulder pattern here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, continuation. All right. But here we go, guys. We got about 7 minutes, all right, until that new news. Okay, Jen, it would have been hard to hold for a lot of people, honestly, for sure. But I did not change anything. I said I was selling it entire time. Okay, for all the buyers, you know, you probably got to caught some quick pips, but other than that, you would have got smacked right near this market open and that news coming in. And guys, just remember one thing here, okay? Like if you want to talk dollars and cents, okay, you maybe go to a job and you work for what, an hourly wage here in Canada is I think 16 bucks, okay? So you work 3 hours, you're going to make maybe 50 bucks. You know? 16 times 1 48, around 50 bucks, okay? If you did $1 on gold, okay? You did $1. That's 29 bucks right there. Would have taken a lot of time, you know. But if you did on NASDAQ or GU, or not GU, but NASDAQ or DOW, you know, you could have made that back in like 5 minutes. And this is just talking dollars and cents, not percentage return. Look at it as your hourly, okay? You're sitting here for 3 hours to make what? a minimum wage. Okay. Ideally, you want to look for percentage wise. You know what I mean? Percentages are the best, but anything else, you're going to have to watch out for. So here are and is the Dow, guys. All right. Sean, you started at $14 as a cop. You guys deserve way more than that for all the shit you guys deal with. Way more than that. Way more. Nice, Sean. Retiree, my man. Well, thank you for your service, dude. Don't, you know, from a PO to pips. Oh, guys, you want to know the minimum? Is there anyone from Florida here? You want to see some? Is anyone from Florida in here? Sean, now we're talking, brother. Achilles, what's the minimum wage in Florida? Rhonda, what's the minimum wage in Florida? $7 in Florida, guys. Under 10. Yeah. You got to go away from your family to go do something for minimum wage for $7. And they hike these interest rates and these fuckers want us to be able to survive. Yeah. That's why I'm doing this. That's why we do this. You know? $7 at $1. Let's see here. That move. That's your minimum wage right there. One bedroom is $1,800 a month in Florida. You know, that move right there on the Dow though, that's your minimum wage right there. Do you guys see that? $10. There's $10. 16 in Canada. That's it right there. I love it. Ronan, I just made 4 months pay from that drop. We're here for a bigger picture, guys. We're here for a bigger picture. Okay? I know what's going on in the real world, not everything, but we talked about it yesterday. But I know what minimum wage is and how much it affects people. And I know how much a single micro movement can make their hourly wage. And it is what it is. We can't do anything about it, guys. That's the sad thing. So. All right. So, guys, do you guys want to do NASDAQ or the Dow for this news? Okay. What do you guys want to do? You guys let me know. Bang out these comments here. Let's smash these like buttons. And let's go from there. Okay. You guys let me know. I'm here for you. Members, you guys let me know. I got a lot of Dow people in here. The dirty. Respect for the 400 likes, guys. I really appreciate that too. Okay. Okay, we'll monitor gold here for 1 second. Got 2 minutes left. You can see gold is starting to hold that 1650 level. Okay, if you guys are in gold, just remember this news. If you guys are in any of these trades, okay, like I'm telling you right now, just monitor this. I ideally would like to, I would like to watch gold if you guys are okay with that. You know, if I just want to see if gold's going to drop here, guys. Gold on the hourly is looking bearish. Okay. Until that last flip. Hey, Chihuahua. Here we go, guys. Oof. Let's watch this news. 26 seconds, guys. If we break here, we're coming back down to at least 47, maybe 46. Let's watch. The jolt. Oh, guys, they're jolting it right now. Look at this. You can see they're getting it ready. This is Tiger Woods teeing up right now. This is LeBron at the free throw line for the game winner. Let's see what's going to happen here. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Guys, I'm up 200, 300 bucks. Yes, 400. Dump, you piece of shit. Let's go. Oh, yes. Yes. I hate you, market makers. It's time for us to take from you. Let's go. Look at that drop, guys. Don't get greedy on this thing. That thing ran 54 pips. I'm out. I'm out, guys. Let's take a look at the Dow. Did anything happen on the Dow? I didn't really see it yet. Look at, oh my goodness, look at NASDAQ, guys. Oh, look at the Dow. Oh my goodness, it sells all day, guys. Let's go here. Come on. Let's go, guys. Three, 2, 8, 2, 9. Look at that sell, guys. That's a nice continuation drop here. Everything is dumping off. Beautiful sells. Wow. Oh! What the fuck? Pardon my French, guys. Look at that thing go. Look at this drop, guys. Oh my god. Members, that was our original Dow sell signal here, and it just hit 100 pips. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Admin, if you could update that. Look at this, guys. We are in a free for all sell momentum here. This thing is crazy, guys. That's insane. Okay. Yeah, guys, we'll show you. I'm gonna send that trade actually to the free FX group so you can see that one was sent at, I believe, 3 in the morning. Okay, and that just hit now. You can see it. So monitor this accordingly, guys, and go from there. I told you, red folder, all eyes were on this. Okay. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Like, let's just recap everything that happened here. Gold is holding that support level here pretty strong, so I would be securing on that. That's crazy. I told you everything was coming towards this this news. Okay, that's why we had a really choppy consolidated session here. And NASDAQ, these sells, guys, like, this is crazy. And let's take a peek. Let's just see the DXY. Did it hit 111? It did. It hit it, guys. Look at this, guys. Please go back and watch this stream, okay? Just please go back and watch this stream if you guys are still on here. This hourly demand zone is what saved it. Okay, do you remember we talked about this? This was our hourly demand. Okay, and if you look to the left on structure, okay, this is what held it here, and they're pushing it right back up. If we drop below, you can see we had the alarm. Nothing happened. This is not rocket science, guys. Guys, this is not rocket science, okay? This is just finding previous structure where the buyers have taken control, and look, they respected it, okay? I get more excited about analysis kind of playing out like this than sometimes I do making pips. But look at the descending, guys. Do you know what kind of pattern this is? Do you guys know what kind of pattern this is right here? Descending wedge, exactly. Okay, descending wedge. And look what happens after the descending wedge, falling wedge. You get a nice bullish reversal, okay? So beautiful, guys. I'm happy if you guys made some percentage gains today. I know it was tough in the morning, but look at GU selling off, guy. GU, this is interesting too. Okay, look, oh my God, NASDAQ. Look at GU here, guys. Look at identical where it got rejected. Look at this Fibonacci, 618. Okay, 618. Here's the rejection in the golden zone. Okay, if we broke through, that thing would have went bullish like a rocket, but it got rejected. Okay, let's go through all this again. NASDAQ, it's going, guys. This thing is done, like straight up. Put a fork in it, NASDAQ, and this thing is done. Okay, this is on the 15-minute. You can see gold is still selling off, guys. Okay, and you know, we have the Dow Jones, which is just shitting on everything right now. And guys, let me just point this out for you. Okay, remember we talked about some hourly wages? Okay, and this is just real talk from me to you. We talk about $7 in Florida. Okay, Canada at 16 bucks, euros about 10 bucks, so maybe 14 bucks. Right there. You want to make it a nice even 20 bucks? That right there, that micro movement, you would have made your minimum wage. Okay. Okay, so look at it like this. Look at a percentage gains. But if you go to work, pretend you're working right now on a computer. How many micro movements do you have to hit to make that? Okay. So anyways, guys, that's it. You know, I'm hopefully you guys made some pips on this call. It took a little bit of time. This choppy chit was not fun, but you know, God bless everyone for staying with me, and you know, I really appreciate you guys pumping up those likes. So make sure you Swavey, send me an email. Okay, I just read your comment real quick. Okay, so all right, guys, you know, please smash the like button if you guys want to join the team here. This is stocksnipertrading.com. You know, we're growing fast. Okay, like we're gonna have to cap this. This is not just me selling this. Like we're growing fast. Okay, what we have here is our programs. Okay, but also Ronan, my funded account is 10% because of your stream. That's crazy. This is the sessions we have here, guys. My man one was sick today. He couldn't speak, but you can see we have 5 London sessions. Okay, we have 5 New York, 5 post New York with our man. Okay, we have live trading workshop today. We have FOMC tomorrow. We have a workshop, then 3 Asian trading workshops here. Okay, so guys, God bless you all. You know, I hope everyone had a good call, and if you guys want to join. You can check it out. If not, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, guys, on YouTube. Oh my God, the Dow Jones just gone, guys. Okay, so FOMC is going to be crazy tomorrow. Members, we're not doing it live. We're doing it in our private Zoom room. Okay, and then NFP, we will be going live on Friday for you. Okay, so guys, have a good day. God bless you, and thank you so much for staying on the stream. If you guys just want to give me a like or subscribe. And then one last thing, guys, one last thing before I go. We're trying to grow our Instagram account. Okay, so if you guys want to head over and then maybe give us a like and follow. All right, don't fall for any of these scammer shits. You know, they're out there. They're trying to, you know, take and tell people to do all this stuff. But we only have 6,517. We got about 43,000, 42,000 on YouTube. If you guys want to give us a like and follow here, we're going to be updating this a lot more now that everything's really bumping off. So, okay, as you can see, guys, 2 million YouTube views. Just watch out for that, and you know, you'll know it's really us. All right, so guys, God bless, and we will see you tomorrow. Okay. Later, guys. And just one last thing. Thank you, Day Trading Lab, for moderating. Thank you, Tammy. Thank you, Albin. Thank you, my man, Agent Smith. Okay? All right, guys. Peace.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.